Hello students, I am Dr. Nidhi Mishra, Assistant Professor English, Govind Sarang Government Law College, Bhatapara. And the topic of my lecture is One Word Substitution, Part 2. Now beginning with the alphabet I, incapable of making mistakes or being wrong is called infallible. Now let us look at the sentence. Doctors are not infallible. Then next, liable to catch fire easily is called inflammable. Now let's see the usage. Petrol is an inflammable substance. Next, that which cannot be imitated is called inimitable. Now let's see the sentence. He concluded his speech in his inimitable style. Next, one who is unable to pay his debts is called insolvent. Now let's see the sentence. The company was declared insolvent by the bank. Next, looking into own thoughts, introspection. Now let's see the sentence. It's high time for some introspection. Next, which cannot be seen with human eyes is called invisible. Now let's see the sentence. Ghosts are invisible. Next, remarks which do not apply to the subject is called irrelevant. Let's see the sentence. Please don't talk irrelevant. Next, the area over which an official has control is called jurisdiction. Now let's see the sentence. The judges have appellate jurisdiction of civil and criminal cases coming up from the lower courts. Next, one who dies for the sake of country is called martyr. So let's see the sentence. Two soldiers became martyrs in the gunfire. Next, person who settles a dispute between two parties is called a mediator. Now let's see the sentence. Ram was mediator between two friends who were quarreling. Next, exclusive possession of the trade in some commodity is called monopoly. Now let's see its usage. Samsung has monopoly in the market for their cheap Android phones. Okay, please see the word before monopoly, misanthrope. One who hates mankind is misanthrope. Now let's see the sentence. Ashish is a misanthrope. Okay, last one. Notice of death, especially in a newspaper, is called obituary. Now let's see the sentence. Obituary of his death was published in the leading newspaper by his family. Okay, next, a word or law no longer in use is called obsolete. Now let's see the sentence. Latin is a obsolete language. Next, one who looks at the bright side of things is called optimist. Now let's see its usage. Our teacher is an optimist person. Next, holding established opinions is called orthodox. Now let's see its usage. This building is an orthodox. This building belongs to an orthodox church. Next, a remedy for all diseases is called panacea. Now let's see the sentence. Technology is not a panacea for all the problems. Next, sole right to make and sell some invention is called patent. Now let's see its usage. I have patent for a new sound system. Next, property inherited from one's father or ancestors is called patrimony. Now let's see the sentence. Mohan could not get patrimony house which was his due. Next, one who looks at the dark side of things is called pessimist. Now let's see its usage. We should not be a pessimist. Next, lover of mankind is called philanthropist. Now let's see the sentence. Warren Buffett is a great philanthropist. Okay, next. Copying or stealing words and ideas from another author is called plagiarism. Now let's see the sentence. The research paper should be free from any kind of plagiarism. Okay, next is after death means posthumous. Now let's see the sentence. The soldier was given bravery award posthumously. Next, a fictitious name used by an author is called pseudonym. Now let's see the sentence. She wrote her novels under the pseudonym Jane. Okay, next. Too much official formality is called red tapeism. Now let's see the sentence. Red tapeism is a big problem in India. Then next is thinking about past, retrospection. Now let's see the usage. Making retrospection will lead to long delays in taking a decision. Then next is one who speaks for another is called spokesperson. So let's see the sentence. Mr. Sambit Patra is the spokesperson of Bharatiya Janata Party. Next is with one voice, a decision on which all are agreed is called unanimous. Now let's see the usage. The decision to close the office was unanimous. Then next is the act of damaging public property is called vandalism. Now let's see the sentence. There was lot of vandalism in the Delhi riots. Next, one who possesses several talents is called versatile. So the sentence is Mohan is a versatile person. Next, a person with a long experience of an occupation is called veteran. Sentence Major G.D. Bakshi is a veteran army personnel. Now let's see some more synonyms like words for various fields of study. The study of earth and formation is called geography. Study of birds is called ornithology. Study of human development is called anthropology. Science of time is called chronology. Study of religion is called theology. And words for people with various qualities. Now let us look at that. Person with unlimited power is called autocrat. The doctor who treats heart problems, cardiologist. The doctor who treats skin diseases is called dermatologist. And one who is all powerful is called omnipotent. And one who knows everything is called omniscient. That concludes the part 2 of one word substitution. And students, if you think that I have missed out any important one word substitution, please add in your lesson and please learn this one word substitution by heart because it is a very important topic. Thank you.